Hello everyone, welcome back to Analytical Guy. Previously, we talked about the target versus achievements for each year or for a particular month. So, in this video, we will talk about the day of the week. Which day of the week is highly successful? Which day of the week gives me the best sales? Number of days where that particular day given the business, or you can have the total orders for that particular day. So we will talk about these aspects in this video, and then we will also bifurcate the sales on the base of weekday as well as weekend, right? So we can see the sales are coming from weekends or weekdays, so all those things. But once this is done, we will do average order per sales, and then we will conclude this video. So first of all, let's try to build this table. I will take a matrix and then take the day of the week. This is my row headers, so it will come in rows. Then I will say take the total sales, and this will come in values. So now I have this total sales for each day. But as you can see, this is not sorted. So day of week is not sorted. I want to sort this from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday until Saturday. So for that, I'll go back to table view, go to my date table. So this is my date table. This is my day of week. Now I will add a new column, which will give me as a sort for the day of week. So we can say this day number. So this will be equal to weekday. This is simple function weekday and give the date. And then bracket closed. Now I have this day number. So day of week can be sorted by this day number. And then if you go back to the module, you can see it is sorted Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Perfect. So now we have day of week, total sales. I can change the layout. I really love the style minimal, and this is how it will be looking like. Now, if you have to calculate number of days and total orders, so number of days is straightforward. We will do distinct count of total order dates. So if we go here in measures, I'll create new measure. We'll say number of days is equal to distinct count of my total order dates. So where is my order date in sales? So this is my number of days. So if I add this in my table, so you can see for Sunday, total number of business days would be 184, and highest is for Saturday 244. Now I want to calculate total number of orders. So we can calculate orders as, let's say, total orders. This will again be straightforward. This will be distinct count on my order number. So order number is in my sales table. So total orders will be distinct count of order number. If you go back to the sales table, where's my order number? So this is my order number. So I'm saying take the distinct count. So I can't take the same number twice because that won't be the distinct sales, right? So if I take the distinct count of this, and order date is already connected with my date calendar, right? So it will give me the correct values. So I can fetch this and take it over here. So now I have total sales, number of days where the business happened for that particular day, and then total orders taken on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so on and so forth. You can see the highest number of orders were taken on Saturday, and that is 6,264. Second highest is for Thursday, right? So we can see Saturday is quite famous. Now, if you want to take the average order, so this will again be straightforward. So we will say average order will be equal to average. So if we see average X, that is not required here because we have to take average of total orders divided by number of days. So we already have the concept. So we don't have to take the average as a DAX function. So we'll say total orders divided by number of days. And this will be my average order. So you can see on Saturday, on an average, 25 orders were taken. So the logic is total orders were 6,264, and there were 244 days where the orders were taken. So on an average, 25 orders were taken on a particular day. And this is quite low for Sunday. Sunday there were 184 days, but total orders were just 453. So we can easily say that the operational business, like the sales, does not happen quite a lot on Sunday. And highest is for Saturday and Thursdays, right? So this is one aspect. Second is, if you have to calculate the same thing for weekday as well as weekend, so there is no bifurcation as such in the date as of now. So you can see day of week is there. So we have this weekday, we have weekday and weekend, but how did we calculate this? So if we go back to my Power Query, and see the cog, you'll see the formula over here. So what I'm saying is, so whenever the date dot day of week, whenever this date is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we will call it as weekday. Otherwise, if it is 5 or 6, that is a weekend, right? So 5 or 6 is Saturday or Sunday. So Saturday or Sunday, it is a weekend. So this is how we can bifurcate this into weekday or weekend. Now that we have bifurcation of weekday, weekend, I can use this column. So I'll just copy this table, and instead of day of week, I'll remove day of week. I'll take week, day or weekend. So this will give me the total sales happened on weekday mostly, and weekend is this. But weekday will give you obviously more sales because this is contributing from 5 days. Weekend is contributed from just 2 days. Right, so you can see on an average, it is quite similar. 16 for weekday and weekend is 15, right? So that doesn't make any significant difference, right? So this was it about this particular video. So here we try to calculate the total sales, number of days, number of orders for that particular day, and how did we sort this. So whenever you have to sort a particular column, just try to have a another column that can be a sorted column, and then just select a particular column, click on sort by a particular column, and you can easily sort that. All right, guys, that's it for this particular video. Thanks a lot for watching.